Any document that we talk about ever, it is the most recent. The most recent. Good morning, everybody. Today we're talking about mortgage loan documentation. Oh my gosh, could it be more boring? But so freaking important. So stay tuned till the end of this video because you're gonna find out what you can expect as far as documentation to make sure that you have a smooth and on-time closing and actually get to a closing. I am Stephanie Weeks, and this is your one-stop shop for anything and everything mortgage education. Stay tuned. I drop new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. Why should you listen to me? Well, I've got 16 years experience as a loan officer. I can't help everybody in every state as a loan officer, so I want to help you guys with the education piece when I can't help you with your actual loan. I've been recognized in the top 1% in the nation for loan officers as far as loan production for several years in a row, and in 2019 also recognized in the Scotsman Guide for top originators. Do you want to avoid heartache? Do you want to avoid disappointment? Do you want to avoid, heaven forbid, loan denial? Well, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to give you all the tips and details that you need to make sure you get to a closing and avoid that heartache, avoid the late closing dates, avoid the loan denial. 5 easy steps we're going to cover today, quickly, efficiently. Step number 1, you are a team with your loan officer. You guys need to work together. Be accurate with them, be detailed with them, communicate clearly with them, be respectful with them, please. They are trying to get you through the end and they're only asking for the items that they need. So step number 1 is don't be argumentative, be nice, be respectful, and work together with that loan officer because believe me, they want to get you to that closing just as bad as you want to get there. Tip number 2, what are some of the basic documents you're going to need? Photo ID, most recent 4 paycheck stubs, most recent 2 months bank statements, most recent 2 years W-2s. That's typically the short list, the quick and easy list, but not all of you are going to fit into that box. So the tips on that short list are with your driver's license. If it is unexpired, you only need to copy the front, but if it is expired and there's an extension sticker on the back, then you've got to copy the front and back. They're looking to match that up with your application to make sure everything matches, it's seamless, name, date of birth, social if it's still printed on there, address, is it unexpired, when's the expiration date, when's the issue date, those types of things. When it comes to the paycheck stubs, sometimes as little as 2, a lot of times as many as 4 that you're gonna need. Make sure you fax, upload, or scan them, okay? Pictures make it very difficult by the time we try to blow them up, try to print it. Plus, when people take pictures, they seem to cut it off, show you the table. It is a mess. So please just don't even do that if you can avoid it. Your loan officer is basically your trainer trying to get you through that entire marathon. So they are there, they're your advocate, they are there to help, and they are there to explain. Some of the other basic documents you're going to need, and we're still on step 2 here, guys, but some of the other basic documentation that you're going to need, sometimes it can also be tax returns, sometimes 1 year and sometimes 2. Any document that we talk about ever, it is the most recent. The most recent. Can't tell you how many times, like see right now we're in July. I'll ask for somebody for their most recent bank statements or 401k statements. They'll send me something from January. You could have liquidated that by now. You could have spent all the money by now. Everything's gonna be the most recent statement for all of these things that we're actually talking about. So even with the tax returns, make sure you include every single page, every single schedule. Tip number 3, why do you need these basic documents? Well, guys, they're lending you tons and tons of money, and they need to verify that everything is true, that it's valid, that it's not fraudulent, and that you can actually or do actually have the ability to repay the loan. And how else are they going to figure that out if we're not looking at documentation to prove that? Number 4, other potential documents that you might need. Sometimes if you're a non-resident alien or non-permanent alien, I may be saying that wrong, but you might need a green card. Sometimes if you're self-employed versus W-2, you may need 1 or 2 years tax returns. Sometimes with certain loan programs, you may give us 1 bank statement and it shows a transfer from another bank statement. So then we might be led to that bank statement and need a copy of that as well. Sometimes we might be looking at your bank statement and there's some kind of overdraft or NSF, which some programs that could be an instant loan denial. So let's assume that it's not a program where it's an instant loan denial. Other documents we might need is proof that you maybe had overdraft protection or you didn't. We might need the bank statement from the month that it went overdraft so we can see what caused the overdraft and how much money you had in there at that time. Sometimes we might need your transcripts from school to help cover to your history. Sometimes we might need your certificate from your trade school. So those are some different things and some other potential documents that might be needed, or number 4 for our video today. Tip number 5. And you're going to hear me saying this a lot lately because I'm seeing it so much. Screenshots are a no. Screenshots, boom. Screenshots, no, okay? Why? Well, they might not show your name. They might not show your account number. They might not show the name of the bank. They might show a snapshot of the balances, but not every page of the bank statement. They might show a couple transactions, but not all the transactions. And so all of those things go into what we need to see on the bank statement. As an example, sometimes people will send a screenshot of their payroll when they go to log in. We're not looking for a screenshot. We're looking for something that shows your name, your address, so that we can cross-reference it, that you do make $20 an hour if that's what you said, that you are on track to make $50,000 this year if that's what you said. So that's why screenshots are a big no-no these days, and people keep using them. So if you want to save yourself some headache, do not do that. For your free download today, I'm going to give you a link to the long form documents checklist. That's going to be the longest form that should cover the majority of all the possible documents you might need for your mortgage, whether you're self-employed, W-2, 1099, that list is really going to help you figure out what you can expect. Comment yes below in the comment section if you have any other questions about if none of this makes sense or some of this makes sense, or if you still don't understand why we need every page to the bank statement, things like that, why screenshots don't work. Just drop a comment below and I'll make sure to personally answer that for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. And let's connect on social media. My Insta handle is _the real Stephanie Weeks.